Well, you might remember last week when Chef Joe Bellia made pizza in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, and he left that extra Italian crust behind for me to experiment with. Well, the results were delicious, Joe. I actually got an opportunity to make my very own version of your pizza, the margarita pizza. And I have to say, it was top-notch, without a doubt. So you are the expert, and I really had a lot of fun doing that. I didn't have all the exact ingredients, but I made it work at home.
I see you got a nice crisp on that. Nice
I
crust.
did.
Nice.
That was the best part. The crust was phenomenal.
That's there for.
But if you want the best one, you got to go to Joe's La Roma.
That's right. So Chef Joe Bellia is here once again, and it's a Mamma Mia Monday, so we're going to make something else spectacular.
We're making stracciatella soup, which is an Italian egg drop version.
Okay.
Oh.
So we're going to do this. We're going to do this right in front of everybody, right to eat in 2-3 minutes. How's that sound? So what I have here is just a little bit of chicken broth. You can use. Sorry about that.
It's a hot pan.
Hot soup. You can use a little bouillon, or I use a little bit of a liquid chicken broth, bone broth. So we're just going to bring that up to temperature, which I think she's over there.
I think it's up to temperature.
All right, let me come over here with this. So then we're just going to add. Now, it's an egg drop soup, so you want to just go ahead and put a couple eggs in.
You literally drop the eggs in.
Exactly. What I like to do is just spin them in like this. And then you get a nice little pattern there. Whisk them in like this real quick.
Oh, that's how you do that.
That's how you do that.
I've seen that, but I never understood
Whisk
how
the whole egg in first. And we're going to throw a little bit. So if you're going to make this just straight up egg drop soup, you could put 2 eggs in here, but we're going to put a little ditalini pasta.
Ditalini?
Ditalini pasta, a little Italian pasta for basically for soup.
Okay.
I'm going to add a little bit of sheep's milk Parmesan Romano.
Sheep's milk Parmesan Romano.
That's the good stuff right there.
Good stuff. And then we're going to chop up some spinach real quick.
Yeah, some spinach.
And yeah, you could use parsley. You can use escargot. People use in this as well. And a little salt and pepper.
A little salt and pepper.
Look at that. Didn't take long at all, did it?
No.
And so this is literally like, before I pre-cook the pasta, have that ready. You could do this in 10 minutes.
Right.
10 minutes soup, I like to call it. So I actually do this to order at the restaurant. We did this with oysters this past week for special. So
you do it with oysters?
you can do it with oysters.
Just drop them in?
A little oyster liquor in there as well. And I'll get you guys. It's going to be, as you can tell, it might be a little warm.
Yeah, it looks like it.
But yeah, so you just let the egg cook.
Look at that.
And then you bring it together. Like I said, you can put a little more egg instead of the pasta if you wanted to go that way. You can put any kind of protein in there, even chicken, beef.
I can't believe how easy you just made that look. I mean, look at that. That's amazing.
And I like soup the next day.
Yeah.
It's like a chili. For some reason, this tastes good straight out of the pan there.
Okay.
So you want to give it maybe a little blow first?
There you go.
On the spoon?
Just don't burn your lips on that.
This is going to be really super
hot. It's going to
hot.
be super hot. So
See, I never would have pictured the eggs in this. I always pictured that as more of an Oriental or an Asian dish.
The Italians cook with eggs as well, and it's pretty good soup with the egg.
Oh my
So it's
goodness.
going to be a little hot. It's got a lot of flavor.
It's very
It
hot.
does.
For a little bit of ingredient that you just saw.
Right.
It's got a lot of flavor. You want to be careful with the salt because the chicken broth has got a little salt to it, and so does the sheep's milk.
I was going to say, it's salty, but it's a good salty.
Yeah, it's a cheese salt, yeah.
A cheese salty.
you
There you go.
Oh.
So it's a good week, good day for soup.
It is.
Outside,
It is.
so
Nice rainy morning.
we'll have this on special at Joe's La Roma. And we'll be doing this also next door when we open the focaccia. We'll have this with a nice pair with a nice sandwich and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then real quick, what's going on this week?
So this week we have our Wednesday dining with Denny, and then we have some nice specials with filet and shrimp this weekend. So we're working on that, and if I can find some more oysters, I'll be doing this with oysters.
Oh, okay.
Oh
There
my
you go.
goodness. You got to check this out. So good.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Joe, thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
As always.
Thank you.
Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.